Hey guys, and welcome back to another DIY video. So there are a lot of DIY regarding your teeth whitening, and this kind of procedure, I may not say as procedure, but it's a very natural way. I've been using this kind of DIY teeth whitening whenever I see my teeth is kind of yellowish now, because who doesn't love coffee, right? If your teeth is a little bit whitened, it kind of boosts your, I don't know.
Because darling, having white teeth boosts your self-confidence, isn't it?
So it's very easy. You only need 3 ingredients with this teeth whitening natural. First, you need a turmeric. I know a lot of you have been seeing turmeric DIYs for health and skincare. Secondly, you also need a natural coconut oil. And thirdly, you need a baking soda. Baking soda has a lot of uses nowadays. I'm also surprised that some beauty guru or YouTuber use a baking soda to whiten their underarms, which is kind of new for me, but hopefully I'll try for it if it really works. I don't know. So don't be scared when you're using turmeric, because turmeric doesn't stain your teeth, but it does stain your toothbrush. So I prefer you go get a pair of toothbrush, let it sit for 2 minutes, you go rinse your mouth with water, and afterwards you need to brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste. Any kind of toothpaste will do the trick. So there you have it. If you want to maintain your teeth more whitened, you need to use this product for about 3 to 1 week. It depends on the kind of yellowish of your teeth. So there you go. I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!